That is what a leaky fork seal looks like. I am going to be taking off my front forks to change both of their fork seals. Wow.
So the idea is that we're getting through here. Basically the bike is secured on 3 points. This is nice and wide, holds it stable.
Yep.
And this lifts it up.
Okay.
It will not go anywhere.
I'm going to keep loosening up these bolts. That is what a leaky fork seal looks like. Papa, come have a look at this. We should jack up the bike now. That's cool.
You need to clean up, get the vacuum cleaner out, man.
It's exactly 3 centimeters. It's also exactly 3 centimeters. Nice. Hey Papa, look.
Cool.
So now, the difficult part.